Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel Technical Nikki. So from this video we are going to start a new journey in the world of programming. Okay, from this video I am going to start tutorials for C language or C programming, and I will make a whole playlist on C programming. If you want to learn programming, so you can save this playlist or subscribe my channel for never miss an update. Okay, so let's get started. So first we need to download two tools for start our C programming. First is IDEs and second is compiler. Okay, so I am going to download this IDE. Okay, wait, download Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I am using this. I will use this IDE during the programming. Okay, you can easily download it by the click on download for Windows. Okay, when you download click on it, your download will be start. So I have already downloaded it, I will not download it again. And you can download this Ming GWW64 compiler from the internet, and this is this is the best. I think this is best compiler for C and C++. And if you want to download them, I will put give the download link in the video description, so you can check it from here and download them. Okay, so I have already downloaded it, so I will not download them again. So now I am going to install them. First I am going to install this IDE Visual Studio Code. So okay, you just need to accept the agreement, and then next, already exists, would you like to install to that folder? Okay, anyway. Okay, next, create a desktop icon. First I was installed Visual Studio Code first, so it shows the folder location. Okay, if you are installing it first time, so it will not show you. Okay, preparing to install. Setup is preparing to install Visual Studio Code on your computer. Okay, wait for it. Setup is installing, as you can see. Okay, so you can install by this method. Please follow the same instructions, otherwise you will get an error. Okay, so wait for its installation. I am using this IDE because its interface is very cool. Okay, launch the Visual Studio Code. Let me first as you can see, my Visual Studio Code is opening. Okay, so I am going to close this all. Don't save. Okay, let me first delete this folder because it's already open in the Visual Studio Code. Oh, what happened? Okay, you just need to open an folder. You can you will get an option over here, open folder, or you can open from your open folder. Okay, so you can create a folder when you want to open. I want to create on my desktop folder and C bootcamp, C language. I am rename it to C tutorial. Okay, it is already exists you can see here. Okay, select this folder. I've already created this. You can easily create and in this folder you can see this icon. This is for create new file, and this is for create new directory. You can create. I'm going to create new directory and set it name to my course. Okay, and go to this extension icon, and here search for C space C plus C++. You will get this an intelligence C++. This is from the Microsoft, and this is for C and C++. So you can install it easily by click on it. This helps us to suggest automatically suggestion. Okay. Okay, wait, as I am going to create new file and set it to first.c. okay, and when I type only main, it suggests a code. Okay, this is the work of the intelligence or extension, and if I press enter, it automatically type a code. So okay, now install this compiler. Next, okay, during the installation of this compiler, connect to your device to the internet, because it downloads some file from the internet. So create a shortcut in start menu, space available 36.21 GB. It is available in my drive. So you can see downloading files. Okay, it will take 5 to 6 hours. No, I'm just joking. It takes 1 or 2 as you can see. This is download the files and installing the files in your drive C. Then under programming files 86, then MinGW64, and then this files. Okay, so wait for it. I'm pausing the video, otherwise video will be very long. Okay, as you can see, our installation has been completed, and it is asked for press to next, and then click finish to complete the installation. Okay, our compiler has been installed, and now we need to add the compiler part to the system. So let's follow my instructions carefully. Okay, go to your directory where you have installed your compiler. Mine is programming file and 86. Okay, mine is into this folder, so I'm going to under this folder and search for MinGW64 and open this folder i686. Okay, and then MinGW32, and then open Win folder, and then copy this complete path. Okay, copy it from here and go to right click on our PC, then go to properties. After this, wait, go to advanced system setting. Okay, and then go to environment variable. Here we need to create a variable path for our compiler, so click on it, environment variable, and click on path, then add it. And then you can see here are some already paths, but these all paths are for other function. Okay, we need to click on new for our compiler and paste the path here. Okay, in this type palette. Okay, then okay, click after this click on OK, and then OK, and then everything will be okay. I think we have complete all the process at here. So we have what we have done. We have add our compiler path into the system whenever we need to and GCC or G++ files, so we can directly access them. Okay, so thank you guys, thanks for watching, and we will meet again with another tutorial, and we will write our first program into the next video. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye.